Hey everyone, Hailey here. Application season is among us and it's time for all my UC hopefuls to get down to business. You have a big task ahead of you, responding to the 4 PIQ questions, 3 of your choosing. These are 4 essay prompts for you to respond to, and this is your only shot at expressing your individuality and setting your application apart from others. If you're feeling lost in the process and not really sure if what you're coming up with is what the UC is looking for, please consider taking advantage of my editing service. I'm bringing back the editing service for the 2023 application cycle, and I'm really excited to help you guys out with this. This will be my 4th year offering this service, and I've worked with a lot of people. I receive really positive feedback from them and they're quite happy with the work that I provide. So I'm excited to give that to you as well. Take a look at these rates. So you have the option of purchasing editing for the essays individually, or you can bundle it for a discount. You do need to decide to bundle at one time in order to receive the discount. So for example, if you were to purchase one essay to be edited at a time, just kind of test things out and see if you're happy with the quality of my edits, and you were, and then you decided later on that you wanted to have the last 3 edited as well, you would have to pay the individual price for that. On the other hand, you can bundle all 4 and save 15%, but that decision does have to be made at the initial time of purchase. So just to make sure that's clear. If you're interested, what I need from you is a complete first draft of the essay that you plan to submit to the UC. So let me be clear, this is an editing service. This is not a brainstorming service, and this is not the type of service where I write the essay for you and you pay for basically an essay that's not yours. When I work with people, I like to see what they bring to the table. I want to hear about your passions. Obviously, these are personal insight questions, so it's not about me, it's about you. Give me your best rough draft. I'll take a look at it, critique it, give you some constructive feedback. I do make some corrections or adjustments on my own, but a lot of what I like to do is kind of pose questions to you as the writer and see if you can come up with ways to add detail and to make it more appealing. You do a little footwork beforehand, and then I come in, clean it up, and help you put your best foot forward. If you are interested, please fill out the Google form that is in the description or pinned comment of this video. The process from there is I receive your request, I charge you on Venmo, and then once you complete that request, I have 2 weeks from the completion of that charge to return the essays to you in the edited version of them. I'm only accepting Venmo this year because I've had some issues with PayPal in the past. Apologies if that's an inconvenience, but Venmo is going to be the only way to pay for this. Please don't messaging me if you can have an exception, because I'm not going to give it to you. You need to download Venmo. Let me also be clear that there is no guarantee that you're going to get into school that you want to get into or into any of the UCs. This is simply an editing service. I make no promises. There are record numbers of applicants into the UC system every single year, and it doesn't matter if you're a freshman or a transfer. That is true for both of those groups. I believe last year the admission rate to UCLA was like 8%. So that's insane if you really think about it. That's like, I think they get like over 150,000 applicants. That's what it was when I attended. So I can imagine now it's gone up even more. So just be aware, I can't make any promises, but I can help you put your best foot forward and be the best candidate possible. Once again, if you're interested, please fill out that Google form. I'm excited to work with you guys. Thank you so much for considering my editing service. Bye.